Hey, hi. How are you? I think all you are doing good. So welcome back once again. And I think I don't need to give my introduction because already all of you know about me. But people are watching me first time. Let me just give you a small introduction. My name is Kaushik Chatterjee, and with all my 16 plus years experience into banking, finance, insurance, and IT industry. So I'm just preparing this video, and last two videos I think already you have discussed, like what is the importance of savings, that already you have discussed. Also you have discussed based on your even age, life stages, even what is the preparation you have to make. So these two things already you have discussed. Now let me have a discussion today with what will be your approx current income based on your age. So this is a very critical question. Most of the cases, what happens, if somebody asks you, okay, what exactly, even you yourself, even if you ask, what would be my current, even as per my experience, even what could be my exact even income now, right? So this is a big question. Even irrespective of like your profile, if I look out, let's say if somebody, let's say, started their career. Let's take an example to understand this scenario and why it is so important, because I need to understand, even as per my experience, even irrespective of whatever even I am in profile. So I need to understand, exactly even what is my current income, and that is right or wrong. If it is not at per my need, at per my calculation, then what I need to do actually, I need to scale up. I have a measurement, yes, Kaushik, so this is not the right thing, so you have to scale up on this. Or let's say if I'm already even up on this, then what happens, you will automatically understand, yes, so I need to concentrate on my savings. I need to concentrate like what exactly I am earning. Based on that one, even I have no effect of on my income, even on my savings, even current inflation. So these two things will give me a clarity, what exactly uh, my even current income should be, right? So to do this exercise, what I need to do, I need to just do a small uh, exercise. For that, you can take a piece of paper, right? I hope while you are carrying this, a piece of paper, you can take it, just take a pen and just understand, to uh, calculate what will be your even current income, and what exactly I'm just going to tell you. Just you do that, even based on that one, you will understand, because you have a different income, right? You have a different even commitment, you have a different profession, so you'll be able to understand, whether you are doing it right or wrong. And that is the indication we are going to understand from this video, right? So now let's take an example. Let's say today my age is around 40, or let's say 40, not around 40. Let's take an example of 40, right? And imagine, let's say I have started my career in age of 25. So 40 minus 25, so what exactly I can say, it is around 15 years gap, right? So 15 years gap, in the sense 15 years is my experience. 40 minus 25, 15 years is my experience. So far 25, if I started my career, and today if I'm, let's say, 40 years, so I have altogether even 15 years experience. Now imagine, let's say, when I started my career, let's say age of 25, I probably, let's say, I'm taking an example, let's say I would have been earned even, let's say, 10,000 per month. Are you getting my point? So this is an example we are taking. So 10,000 per month, if I take, again it will be, let's say, per year, if I calculate, so 12 months. So 10,000 multiply with 12 months. So how much it is coming? It is coming around 1,20,000. A simple calculation. You don't need to take even any calculator help also. 10,000 multiplied 12 months, it is my 1,20,000. It's my earning when I started my career, let's say on 25 age. Now what could be my current, now I am 40 years, what could be my current income per month? And that calculation we are going to understand, right? So what I need to do next, So now I got it 1,20,000 I was earning that time age of 25. Now with this you have to multiply 70%, 70 percentage, right? Multiply. Why 70%? Let me tell you. So most of the cases what happened, we have already seen even earlier videos also. Whatever my earning, even though it is 10,000, even though it is 10 lakhs, even though it is 10 crores, whatever it is, my basic expenses around 60 to 70%, including my food, clothes, and my shelter, and even my all other utilities, whatever even my other expenses are there. All together, I'm just talking. These are basic expenses. So as per city, it will be varied, but still let's say we'll take around 70% because the way even inflation going on, so 60 to 70% is the average even expenses when going for everyone. Clear? Now you have to multiply again 7%, 7 percentage. Now what is this 7 percentage actually? So what is the current inflation? So inflation will be different, but let's say take an example of 7 percentage, right? So 1,20,000 when I was 25, I was earning yearly per month 10,000. Multiply 70%, I have explained what is 70%, 70 percentage, and then multiply 7%, which is my current inflation rate, right? Multiply now 15, right? What is 15? Because as I told you, this is my current experience. From 40 to 25, this is my 15 years total experience. So 1,20,000 multiply 70%, which will come, let's say it will be 0.07, right? And again you have to put it your 7 percentage, which will be again coming you 0.007, and multiply with 15. Now you might be getting an answer, am I right? So it will be whatever, even it could be even 17 lakhs, it could be 18 lakhs, it could be 20 lakhs. You might got an answer by this time. It's a very simple calculation. As I told you, you have to calculate on the same way. Now let's take an example again. Let's say if it is coming, let's say around 17 lakhs, approx it will come around 17 lakhs. Now 17 lakhs divided by 12, correct? 17 lakhs divided by 12. So how much it will come approx? It will come, let's say approx around 1,40,000 some change. Let's say down figure, I'm just giving an example. So it will be coming around 1,50,000. Now you have to check it out. Now let's say those who are watching, those who are following this same concept, or let's say this calculation already you have done. Now you got a result already. So this is my experience, this is my expense, this is my current inflation, and let's say this is my income when I started my life. So equal is my total result, whatever your calculation result is coming, that you are getting. Now divide by 12. So as I rightly said, if it is up, so let's say I'm just giving an example. As per my experience, let's say it's supposed to come around 1 lakh, but now it is 1,50,000 it is coming. So I should pat on myself. Yes, Kaushik, you are doing good. You are above of the inflation. So that means you have no threat on your savings. As we have already earlier we have spoken, 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever savings you supposed to do. If you are doing 20, okay. If you are doing 30, far okay. If you are doing 40, it is better for you. If you are doing 50, it is extremely good. So depends on your income, depends on your savings part. But let's say in terms of 1 lakh, as I told you, if that is coming in my case, and if let's say if I'm earning now 50,000, then you have to understand, Kaushik, you have a gap of 50,000, and when you have a gap, so literally it is affecting on your savings, literally even it is affecting on your income also, because income is not there automatically. If I want to do even savings also, I cannot do this, right? So it's a simple understanding. So I hope now with this video you have understood, like, how to calculate your even current income based on when you started your career, multiply with your inflation, multiply with your expenses, multiply with your total experience so far. The result divided by 12, and you can understand whether you are getting that much, because you will be knowing your income, even irrespective of whatever even kind of like profile you have, whether you are a businessman, whether you are a serviceman, whether you are like any professional, whatever it is. If I'm earning this, pat on yourself. If I'm beyond this, definitely good. But if I'm below this, it's a clear indication like you have to improve. And if there is no improvement on my income, then related things automatically it will affect on my savings itself. Right? So thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Again, we'll come back with a new concept. Take care.